Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to our Excellence Assembly on Friday the 9th of October. Thank you for joining us once again as we celebrate the excellence of the children at Bethersden Primary School. It's been another fantastic week. Although the weather's changed, the children have still been able to get out onto the field and enjoy their break times. Thank you to everybody who sent in their wellies. And just remember, if you want to send them in, please do so, so we can continue to use the outdoor space as much as possible. As I say, this week we are celebrating the brilliant things that have been going on in the classrooms, and we've got a vast range of things to celebrate. We'll start with our youngest children in school in Bumblebee class. The first award of the week this week goes to Phoebe, who is starting to join in with activities and for always trying her best. The team in your classroom have loved seeing you play with the others in the class and are so proud of how you always help out with your friends. A big well done comes from Mrs Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hoogan. Second award in Bumblebee class goes to Thomas for being a brilliant problem solver. The team love watching you solve your maths problems and how you help your friends when they're struggling. Keep up the brilliant work, Thomas, and thank you for all the help you're providing in your classroom. That comes from Mrs Osborne, Miss Finn and Miss Hoogan. Moving to our class this week. The team have been discussing who to award their certificates to. And the first person they chose was Maureen for simply being an excellent role model to her peers and giving her the best at all times. Maureen consistently produces her work to a very high standard. Her early morning learning this week was fabulous. She quietly gets on with everything and she's impressing the OWL team with her attitude and learning. Well done, Maureen, and keep it up from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace, Miss Hoogan and Mrs Taylor. The second award of the week in our class goes to Aggie for her learning across the curriculum. Aggie consistently produces both quality and quantity in her writing, thinking carefully about what she wants to convey in that writing. She gives her best during her math lessons, and it's been lovely to see her contributing during the lesson input. Aggie's slowly getting confidence in our class, so keep it up, Aggie, from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace, Miss Hoogan and Mrs Taylor. It's been another very busy week in Dear Class and lots of excellence to celebrate. The first award this week goes to Holly for a fantastic effort in all of her subjects. She's been answering questions and offering good ideas in the class discussions. Holly's been trying hard to work a little more quickly as well to see how far she can challenge herself. Holly, you're growing in confidence, asking questions if you're unsure and taking a greater responsibility for your own learning, which shows a great maturity. Well done and keep it up. That comes from Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Rosemary, you have also been spotted this week for working really hard in all your subjects. You've listened carefully to instructions to make sure that your work has always been completed to the appropriate standard, and whilst you've been taking great care with your presentation, well done for that. You set a good example to others with your attitude and effort, so keep that up, Rosemary. It's very much appreciated by your class team of Mr Cook and Miss Simpson. Otter class this week. The first award in Otter class this week goes to Archie for his amazing learning in times tables. Archie, Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter have described you as an undercover times table genius. When you know the question and the answer, you're confident to share it. Well done for practicing hard. Just think how good it will be by Christmas if you keep going up this rate. You now need to be confident when you're not so sure and give things a go. Don't be ashamed to have a go. It's a good way to learn, and that comes from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Second award of the week in Otter class goes to Joshua for just being brilliant all the time. What a lovely way to start a certificate this week. Joshua has produced some creative pieces of writing which adopt exactly the right tone. He's written a beautiful character description and really showed all he's learnt last year when he was in Dear Class, when he wrote a conversation between Chuck and Hamlet, who were two characters from their class book. He's a pleasure to have in the class for everyone in Otters. Well done, Joshua. What a great start you've made to this year and every other year since you've joined us. That comes from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. Moving to Badger class now. The first award of the week in Badger class goes to George S for your dedication towards all aspects of your learning. You work with care and to a very high standard, and all your work is presented beautifully. Mrs Smith has been impressed this week with your consistent reading and your spelling practice at home, which you use to good effect in school. So well done and keep it up. That award comes from Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith. Second award of the week goes to Ryan for his enthusiasm in recent PE lessons. You worked well as part of the team, and you're a real force to be reckoned with while defending in a game of bench ball. Well done, Ryan. That comes from Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith. I do know that game got very competitive, including Mrs Smith and Miss Bennett getting involved, so well done to all Badger class. Finally, our Fox class this week. The award this week goes to Joe for your enthusiastic attitude towards your learning, your developing confidence and your positive contribution to all lessons. You're now starting to stretch yourself in all subjects, and your love of history and geography in particular show through in your thoughtful and intelligent questions. Joe, you're not deterred by failure, and you always manage to maintain your sense of humour and give us all a lovely smile. That starts, Joe, from the minute you walk across the road in the morning to the minute you leave in the evening. It's lovely to see. A big well done there, Joe, from Mr. Clark and Mrs. Taylor. Now, unfortunately, we've got no excellence from outside of school to share this week. Please do remember, if you have something you'd like to share, to send it in on our family's email address, and we'll make sure we include it in the next available Excellence Awards assembly. A couple of birthdays this week. I'm going to start by apologising to Miss Bennett, who I failed to mention last week. We know Miss Bennett had a lovely birthday on Saturday. This week, Harry has celebrated his 10th birthday, and Arlo celebrated his 8th birthday. Very many happy returns to you all. Now, a special notice for all the children in the school. Everybody in school has been so impressed with the way you've come back into school and settled so quickly back into learning, how you've reconnected with your friendships, and how you're trying so hard to get back on track with your learning, that we wanted to find a way of rewarding you. So next Wednesday, we will be giving you a Wear What You Want day. So you can come into school next Wednesday wearing a choice of your own clothes. We're not asking for money, we don't want any chocolates. Just bring a big smile and your favourite outfit. But remember, do wrap up warm. Just a very quick reminder to all our families that parent mail is our main method of communication. We've recently sent out an invitation to our virtual parents' evenings this year, so please do make sure you complete that form so we can allocate a time slot for you that fits conveniently in your time frame. Finally, as always, just a reminder of the different ways to keep in touch with us. We've got our school website for all the relevant information. Our Twitter feed is @BethersdenSCH, and we are very quickly approaching our 200th follower. It'd be lovely if we hit that milestone in the next week or two. You've joined us down our YouTube channel, which features all our assemblies, and we do look forward to bringing more content in the near future. And finally, to contact the school, please use our dedicated families @bethersden.kent.sch.uk email address, which is monitored throughout the day, including evenings and weekends, and is the quickest way to contact the school. Alternatively, use our school telephone number between 7:30 AM and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is 01233 820 479. Thanks for joining us this week. We look forward to bringing another Excellence Assembly to you next week, and we'll have some exciting news about a new special event for the school. Thanks for watching, take care and have a great weekend. Bye bye.